In today's digital age, social media marketing has become an indispensable tool for businesses to connect with their target audience. With its wide reach and potential for engagement, it is no wonder that companies are investing heavily in this form of advertising. However, beneath the shiny surface lies a dark side that many businesses fail to recognize or address. In this article, we will uncover 3 major pitfalls of social media marketing and provide insights on how to avoid them. The illusion of instant success. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding social media marketing is the belief in instant success. Many businesses expect immediate results from their campaigns, hoping for a sudden surge in followers or sales overnight. However, building a strong online presence takes time and effort. It is crucial to set realistic expectations when embarking on a social media marketing journey. Instead of focusing solely on vanity metrics such as follower count or likes, prioritize meaningful engagement with your audience. Building genuine relationships takes time but yields long-term benefits. Lack of authenticity. In the pursuit of popularity and attention on social media platforms, some businesses fall into the trap of sacrificing authenticity for superficial content that will garner more likes or shares. This approach may initially attract attention but ultimately damages brand reputation. To avoid this pitfall, it is essential to stay true to your brand values and maintain authenticity across all your social media channels. Share content that resonates with your target audience while aligning with your core message and mission. Neglecting customer feedback. Social media provides an excellent platform for customers to voice their opinions about products or services publicly. Both positive and negative feedback can spread like wildfire across various platforms within seconds. Ignoring customer feedback can have severe consequences for any business's reputation. Therefore, it is crucial always to acknowledge and address customer concerns promptly through direct messages or public responses. Use social media as an opportunity to show your dedication to customer satisfaction and improve your products or services based on the feedback received. Why should you care? Now that we have explored the pitfalls, you may be wondering why it is essential for your business to avoid them. The answer lies in the potential consequences of failing to do so. Damaged reputation. Falling into any of these pitfalls can lead to a damaged reputation for your brand. Inauthentic content or ignoring customer feedback can create a negative perception among consumers, leading them to question your credibility and trustworthiness. Loss of customers. When customers feel unheard or unappreciated, they are likely to seek alternatives elsewhere. Neglecting their feedback not only damages relationships with existing customers but also deters potential customers from engaging with your brand. Wasted resources. Investing time and money into social media marketing campaigns without considering these pitfalls can result in wasted resources that could have been allocated more effectively elsewhere in your business operations. How can you avoid these pitfalls? Now that you understand the risks associated with these 3 major pitfalls, let's explore some strategies you can implement to avoid falling into them. Set realistic goals. Instead of focusing solely on vanity metrics like follower count, set realistic goals centered around meaningful engagement and conversions, such as generating leads or increasing website traffic. Stay true to your brand. Maintain authenticity by sharing content that aligns with your brand values and resonates with your target audience's interests and needs. Actively listen and respond. Regularly monitor social media platforms for customer feedback and respond promptly, both publicly and privately, addressing concerns while demonstrating a commitment to resolving issues. Conclusion. While social media marketing offers tremendous opportunities for businesses, it is crucial not to overlook its dark side, the potential pitfalls that can harm brands if left unaddressed. By setting realistic goals, staying authentic, and actively listening to customer feedback, businesses can navigate these challenges successfully. Remember, building a strong online presence takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Increased brand loyalty, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, business growth.